Let's now bring you back into the country and focus on a story that is of concern to millions of people out there. Nurses have rubbished a court order directing them to call off the 3-month strike in 7 days, terming the orders issued by Labour Court Judge Ellen Wasilwa as inconsequential. Kenyan National Union of Nurses officials, led by the Secretary General Seth Panyako, say the only thing that will make them return to work is the full implementation of the collective bargaining agreement between the nurses and the county governments.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
The Kenya National Union of Nurses officials are vowed to continue their defiance, both to the government and the courts. This follows an order issued by Judge Ellen Wasilwa of the Industrial Court, ordering the union officials to call off their strike within 7 days. The officials, led by Secretary General Seth Panyako, say they would rather go to jail than call off the strike.
I will go to jail. If they jail me 6 months, I will go. If they jail me 1 year, I will go. It is not a big deal. We are ready to go. The strike will continue when I am in jail.
On Tuesday, the nurses held their National Governing Council meeting, where it was unanimously agreed that none of the orders issued by Judge Wasilwa will be implemented. The court orders followed a case filed by John B., who sought court orders for the union to reinstate him to the negotiating committee, besides appealing to the court to compel the nurses union to call off the strike.
The court has no jurisdiction to choose leaders for any organization.
It is on these grounds that the nurses have vowed to fight the court orders to the end.
We have not been served any order. We have not been served with any ruling. But once we get the proper ruling and served on us, we will take appropriate legal action, and we are going to unleash one of the most terrifying legal teams to ensure that we fight these orders up to the Supreme Court.
Very good.
Is that what you have said?
Yes.
Last week, the Council of Governors ordered nurses to return to work within 7 days or face disciplinary action. Shadrach Miti,